F120 suspended track. Step 1. Mark and drill your holes. Step 2. Add your anchors. Step 3. Attach your wall brackets. Step 4. Add your SP129, one needed per bracket or suspension rod. Step 5. Attach your bracket. Step 6. Attach your suspension rod elements. Step 7. Secure your rod to the track. Step 8. Secure your rod to the ceiling element with an Allen key. Do the same step for your tension wire option. Add your fabric and enjoy. All Sampson Mills products have a parts reduction initiative, labor reduction technology at the right price. USA assembled, stocked, and engineered. Come visit us at the D&D building.